name is Ellie.
My name is Mommy.
No, your name is Ellie.
Your name is Caden.
Yeah, that's my name.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. I'm here with Caden, my baby.
And this is you, Mommy.
And I'm Mommy.
Yeah.
And I am going to do a video today with him.
Yeah,
where...
really, when you're cute.
Oh.
I'll be right back.
No! Today, he is going to be picking out the steps that I do my makeup in. So I have it all here in this bin, and I'm going to lay it out for him to choose from. And hopefully he chooses correctly. Are you going to choose the right makeup for Mama?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm almost done over here.
All right.
I'm almost done over here.
So I'm going to put each product out that you would do in the step of doing your makeup. And then he's going to choose one, and that's what I'm going to do first. And then when I'm done doing that step, I'm just going to put it in the middle. And if I have...
Welcome back to my channel.
And if I have... And if I have... Oh my God.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And if I have multiple products, like multiple powders and multiple foundations, when he picks one of those items that I have sitting out, I'm gonna put the other ones out so that he can choose from which one. Oh my God. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do.
Mommy, I know, Caden. I'm gonna steal my phone anyway.
Okay. Caden, you're so goofy. Concealer. What else should I do? No. Lashes. Alright, Caden, so what should I do first? Pick something else.
This one.
Good boy! He picked out the primer. Good boy. Alright, so I got these two primers here. Which one do you want me to use?
This.
That one? Okay,
Yeah.
so he picked the e.l.f. Poreless Primer.
On your face?
If I, don't stare at the screen, right here, I'm sorry.
No.
Pick out another item here. What do you want me to do next?
I'm gonna build you a trampoline to jump on it.
Pick out something for me. Pick out something for me.
Yeah.
Eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do eyebrows. So I am just gonna go ahead and do what I normally do for eyebrows because I only have two products that I use together. So I think I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera because it's a little bit of a process. So I'm just gonna come back. Okay, so I have my eyebrows done. What should I do next, Caden? What should I use next?
That.
Good pick. He's doing good. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Pixi Rose Glow Mist.
Still. Do it again. Watch me, Butch.
What should I do next? Which one should I do next? I'm scared.
You're not scared.
I'm scared.
You can do this one.
Wow, you are so good! He picked out my foundation. Okay, cool.
Welcome back to my channel. Mommy's been doing their door. Steve, back to my channel. No. Mommy's gonna use this.
So this is the Fenty Beauty foundation
Get out of the camera.
in the shade 190. Okay.
No, you can't do
This one? Okay.
No, you can't do that one.
Which one?
You can do that one.
That one? Okay. So this is just the concealer that I use as contour.
Mom, I'm gonna know the mommy has to use this one and when to do. I'm gonna watch her.
Okay. I think he's watched me a few times to kind of know maybe the steps that I use when I'm
Which
doing
one
like
do
a
you
full,
think use?
when I'm doing a full face. So I think
he can use that one.
he's just good.
He can use that one.
You want me to use the eyeliner next?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm done with this. What do I do next? What would you like me to do next? Which one? You get to pick from all these options.
He can do that one.
This one?
Yeah. He can do that one.
So I have the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder.
do it.
And then the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder
do it.
here. And he chose
Let's
this.
check out.
Usually just put a little bit in my
This
hand.
is our eyes makeup.
And I've been using my sponge lately.
The eyes makeup
To do
The
this.
eyes makeup erase
I'm
the
just
eyes
gonna-
makeup.
Bake where I would normally bake.
The eyes makeup erase the eyes makeup.
And
The eyes
now I'm
makeup.
scared for when I do
It's
concealer.
the eyes makeup erase the eyes makeup erase the eyes makeup.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Okay, put it a little here.
And check out, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
What do you want me to do next?
Um,
Please do not choose concealer. Please.
I want you to
Pick something.
this one.
That one? Perfect.
Yeah,
Perfect.
You can use
So
that.
he chose the butter bronzer, and this is actually the only bronzer
Use
I
it.
have.
Use it.
So I'm going to use this.
I'm gonna use mine. I'm gonna use mine. I'm gonna use mine. I'm gonna use mine. I want to use.
No.
This is-
Should I let him continue?
I can use this one.
What should I do next? Also, you have this too. If you have any one of these, you
You
can use.
can use that one.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just bought this from Sephora. It's the mascara from whatever this brand is called.
Can you open it? Oh.
Yeah. All right. So let's test it out.
You take it out. You have to take it out.
My lashes have been like
Let's
really
do it, Mommy.
horrible lately because
Yes! She do eyelashes!
I've
You're
been using
funny.
falsies a
You're
lot,
funny.
so they have not been good. I'm gonna wipe this off here.
Yes.
Okay, Kaden, what should I do next?
What
So-
do I want to use?
He chose for me to do my lips next. So
This one.
okay, so he chose this.
You can use the cookie.
Okay. And I'm just gonna go over that with my Kylie lipstick because it's like the same shade.
Now I'm going to use my cookie to eat the cookie of the friend.
What should I do next, baby?
This.
This isn't looking bad so far.
He can use this one.
This one? Okay.
Yeah.
So he chose for me to do an eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to
Use that.
show him different eyeshadow palettes.
So you
Okay.
use
Which one should I use? This one, this one, this one, or this one?
this.
That one still? Okay. I'm just going to apply with my finger.
You can play with your finger. Let me try this on for you. Let me try this on. Good. And I'll turn this on once I can eat my cookie.
I'm just going to take a smaller brush
I'll be
and
right back.
blend that out. Alright, what other color should I use? Or should I use another palette?
That one.
That one? Okay. So he chose this really light shade here in the corner. I got this palette from, let's see, isn't that nice? I got this palette from Five Below.
Mommy, use it.
I obviously take good care of my stuff.
Use it and use it on there.
Okay.
Now I'm
So
gonna
I'm
eat
just
my
gonna
cookie and I'm
apply
gonna eat
that.
all of it.
There above the
Okay.
brow, well, under the brow.
No
It's
more.
not very pigmented
No more.
at all. I'm basically applying nothing. This one now?
Yeah.
Right. So you chose another shimmer shade
Shimmy shade.
that is a little lighter, so I'm going to put that
Mm.
closer.
Closer. I'm gonna drink the juice.
Is that
I'm
better?
gonna get the juice.
Which should I use next? You got 4 items left now. Which one should I use? That? Okay.
That one.
Yeah.
You
So
can't
I'm going to
You
use
can't use that.
Bretman's highlighter
You
palette.
can't use that one.
Which one should I use?
Back. Right there.
Chose the darkest one.
Back of my channel.
Alright, what next, Kaden? We got 3 items left. What should I do next? This, or this?
I'm gonna show you which color.
Which color would you like me to choose from this?
All these colors make the rainy colors now.
Alright, so he keeps choosing the green color and he won't tell me what other color, so I'm going to use that and I'm going to use it in my outer crease.
Show you. Are you almost done?
Almost.
Almost. I'm gonna show you these colors.
So I'm going to also drag
Let me
this
show you
under
these.
my
Let
eye
me
as
show you
well.
use the colors. Let me show you the one. Let me show these colors make the rain.
The eyelashes or the eyeliner? Which one? The eyelashes?
Yeah.
Yay!
I take great.
Oh my god, did it literally not just get any of that?
Yeah, wait.
I put my camera on pause, I guess, and I didn't realize that it didn't turn back on. And I just said a whole bunch of stuff that now I didn't get on camera.
And no.
So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you like this video because Mama went through a lot to do this video with this one.
Alright, that's it. I'm going.
Nope, no you ain't.
I am.
You're not. Thank you guys as always for watching my video today. I really appreciate all the love and support. Make sure to like and share and subscribe to my channel. And go and watch some other videos too while you're at it, okay? Ugh, I'm so lame. I'm so cringy. I really am. I'm just gonna start owning it and just putting this in my videos because I am like cringy as hell to watch. So. But I think that is gonna be it for today's video. I hope that me and Kaden's video made your day better, and yeah. Have a good day, guys. Bye.